In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy XRP on Ledger Live. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to over here where it says buy/sell on the left hand side in the middle, and then you want to select buy up top. Here under crypto, you want to click on it and you want to find XRP, click on XRP and then select your wallet. After you do that, here of course you can select your currency as well. I'm just going to use euros over here, and then you will pay over here. This is basically how much of the XRP you want to buy, and let's say I want to buy 100 euros worth of XRP, and then you're basically going to be able to see your quotes over here. Of course, you can also select the payment method. For me, as you can see, I selected card, but there's going to be a bunch of different payment methods over here, and then you'll be able to see different quotes, and they will update every few seconds. Over here there's the countdown, and you can of course see different options you have, and this one is going to be marked with the lowest price because right now this is the lowest price, so you can get the best deal over here, but of course you can select whichever one you want. So I'm just going to go for this one because it has the lowest price, and I'm going to click on buy with topper. And then on the next page over here, you're going to be able to go ahead and buy. There we go. So again, this is just kind of a confirmation page. You can review everything and then click on continue. And then you're going to have to basically verify your account. You're going to have to create one with Topper. And after you do that, you're just going to be able to essentially pay with your card or whatever payment method you selected. And that way you will get some XRP onto your account and your XRP wallet here on Ledger. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.